Allez, quand tu le commences à le il y a au bout de moi, non, non, je suis de comme ça. Bah, ça me fera mon nom. Elle a parlé de la Namandoko Rajindi. Aliva Mondoko Rajindi. Voilà, Basi. Go. Yarafu nyunko kwa da video ayen call yele alon fo. Because alon over government ko ni la debito Mondoko ka andu alon video ayen call. Itola parti de la debito le. Ba biton na Mondoko ka be dila le. O man kan document o boy wala fo. So now understand, you know, in the video as good with them become fighting over attack count. So, but remember, you will have to call Nila Dibito Mondoko, okay? If I gender, so Mbasism, Matara, I let Dibito Mondoko, okay? But generally, I'm going to la problem into more for Oboy Lafo. So, Bidon, I'll not a potenke. So I am well. Nalaman Tonko Mura Sungobe Canada. So all that on the 5th of December. On the 4th of December, Belafle Menawolo Nyuko Sojarolo, Ale Frontier Biamuta, because not the Sungobe Canada. And the Nusumo Canada. But the Sumba Canada Madabi Ecotoragin, Nusundo Canada Kotanke. Sojaro Ninkaro Balibulu. So all that in Ako, Al Frontier Muta, Al Dulal Muta, Sumokana Kana. So I'm not an answer. ale amoyle so amonda mbasi sayal kana sila PDOIS ko la kamina sila go NPP ko fon dama wala kamina fon sila nyinna o boy ma fudro man sadamma akoya ne kepe na ko kredo go all the time agende ala muso fon ila muso fon na ka ko sandle ka agende so ma mel nyin kaso nyin nyata kala mo wala kaso nyin dongilo nyin is for everyone on go NPP ko mena fa atina le be kamfare ulen da jahal NPP ko ala kamina kamfa kad o boy man dang ila man sadamma. Okay, so let's say for example, say I party will be la masa, me party will be la character for la say. I will be very fair. Me fair and me party will be la character for la say. So what you decide? Okay, for example, ako nila masa mon doko agenda. Say NPP, ato la masa la be say. I do ko kala bam fa mon doko. Amon doko okay. So ma agenda le. Ako nila dibito mon doko. So PDOIS. Ako nila dibito mon doko PDOIS ala nyaron ko na mon doko ke mbajin lalle alifa ban alifa nak no PDOIS abi doko ke kan janan non nak abi ba kata kam parliament le so yama no mbata bula parliament so alifa no problem you can be there because even doko ke kan parliament no problem so say UDP fana UDP ala dibito ala dibito non doko no okay UDP ko le wol dindile UDP ko le dibito non doko yol dindile Kalon député say UDP will jindi because we like a do koke. So UDP, you know, at least UDP is the voice of the people, voice of the voiceless. So UDP la député will do koke you will jindile already. So Mbasi understand this. UDP la député will do koke will you jindi journal janing ni don globe findila. And in fact, UDP la kiamano milialon ke man do koke. UDP kiamano milialon ke man do koke. So kiamano le fanan, you know. O fanan no jindile yaw san gali o kalam radina na kiamano na kansulo no be jindile say so ñun dongilo ñing so ala on control we are vindicated okay 360 ala mbasi te 360 sign 360 wala ala mbalo 360 yo menke wala ka fuko I mean 360 yo menke wala you know at la kilo ko janko 3 years mu do ko nga ko 5 years but afla na ka 300 let's make it 360 by 2 360 by 2 700 I mean 720 degree I will when I go 15 years so I understand so badul kana mejan dolong oboela donkilo nyal diata but donkilo is for everyone it's not among the more clean Gwaliamwe so NPP saying mbali ñu nga saying jumala me kanu saying so jamu mansia mbali so overall track on diata ba kele now on that note let's start the business now business only start now me même faut qu'on wala ñu ko Alam basi samburam polo molde.
So badi wolo ndeme dango ci sedi kan binala même mu diaspora chairman wala so boji binala 1 hour before party leader boji binala 4 p.m. Gambian time party leader binala 5 p.m. Gambian time so avec la dimanche lo dima bala di al ngalla mu bi na celebration ko commencer la bi celebration ko 2021 on the 5th December biram balon na bari alon Gambia tay wolon bari different kala reconfirmation of our victory 2021 inshallah so be mo be tedulam balbe jay la batin sungaro fulakana alma ale na sumul kafari alma na dunga ko kaira
okay guys ala baraka bake I understand my comrade Kekendo is online but makalam tanu that's okay mbadum drong la fan nakacha kul mel ko min nafal nyamen voters card isul mel yalon ko bi wolle be caring anin tribalism me yalon ko wolle be caring adun kodol fanan mbadum lu nyaajen ko le kacha ngale ko nakacha about the voters card na kacha about the voters card amunyina ko wala nyindi ko mbadengulu albe akram tan janna all the time ka update deal about the voters card issue in this country here. But remember you wala nyindi ko na ko blank voters card. So what I kabring ko IEC 1.5 million voters card, blank voters card la order. Akadam banku dungole miral ku bati. It's quite true. I know the killer banku dungole miral ku bati because remember you will need to call. At the end of it, let's say for example, if Ning, let's say this election coming, if not a man able to benefit from the remaining cards. These remaining cards, they can be benefit from this in remaining cards. Not domande. Okay, nyajibe sometimes in cards so dolu they can reuse them because nalajibe election tema mol ka fare. And sometimes voters card nalajibe registration was a for example 2021 registration on abekela coming like symbol right now. So, but Nyagiwe 2026, there is not going to be any registration. So, those blank cards also, like supplementary. So, Nico supplementary sign, that's where the game will start playing again. So, I know very well that go, inshallah, UDP Mazakunda will be short like 2021. And I know very well if UDP government come, new fraud, new tinyarol milialon ko they will not happen. I'm 100% sure. Gambians, I give you that hope. Because this is not gonna happen. Because make that will need to go UDP Mazakunda walialo no ko ninkolu mukule ko milialon ko Gambia dumul malla fila. So as far as Gambia dumul malla fila, Gambia dumul left a minute. This is what we have to do. So what I turn up is going to be very important for each and every one of us to try our level best pour kajeko sunyaro kanak election because election fraud is very dangerous. So mulmele alon ko be IEC mulmele ko la bal no do ko la IEC engage them their way afoko this is not about Adam and this is not about UDP, this is not about momorande nyemu program ko la koti because remember you will ko nin sunyaro ka be ka election do fitino aka wala wulu and fitino waka banko do no kono. So what I number for IEC la members so this types of IEC la do ko lalo and momorande alon ko you privileged to work during the voter registration. It's your right to stop somebody me along you know that is a foreigner because you know that, I mean be no sudele I mean so kuda mundo from man sude come your excellency alambaro ayafanyame so mbadu this is very important. Let's all try our best be na katolike na yoko katrefa men kana ay telling because katrefa telling is very important for each and every one of us. This is very important for each and every one of us. Now make sure katrefa telling. Let's engage our people. Let's engage our people. You have a friend working at IEC, you have a brother working at IEC, you have whoever. Tell them that ko malaf moela usin dabaka, malaf moela alambaroka, malaf moela mamakandaka, malaf moela alifasalaka. All what we have to do, let's be focused and focus in the kilometer how we are going to have a transparent election in our country. If you never do call, I do cook it. Never do call them for now. So this is very simple. So akumayatele mulmele ko dolebe jang akumayatele for us to make sure we have a free and fair election. Badumul. This is very important. Wakola la drong membe je wala nyundi ko badumulu na diamu fulanyo be kelementi wala tribalism. Badumulu when samba mento wala nyundi ko kunung naje your excellency the president of the republic kunung fanang ay balanta kaful le commande balanta the balanta tribe in this country balantol milalon ko wolbe gambia kono ay wala commande mbadungulu waka militante banko dingol. This is very important and this is very serious. The president of the republic akasiol commande ke katandala nal haklo bakam nung nal katara nung warso len kale ko scientific ferol mel be bul wala nyindi ko tribal politic nyinum silol ti milalon ko wala be bul because mbe je wala nyindi ko they understand very well ko Gambians are not ready to be with them. Gambian call mantra parading pruka katrausika kadila. So but now ila miro be mentola nyindiko as far as Gambians are not ready to give us chance to pruka chance din purna continue. So what should we do? balolu wala nyuntu ko be mun kule kala pour ka gamen ko ta ke divide na la hakilo ba kan I did a program, and then during the program this is what I said nkale ko eminale, and the only chance I mentioned, or the only point me along ko to refer ko this is what they can do wala nyuntu ko even divide la nyame wala nyuntu ko how are they going to divide us. So dolle multi along ko we should stand on our feet kajeko. These people, they are not going to divide us, because if they divide us, I mean, the woman can totally mark erode. So all these things are things they are important. All these things are things they're very important. Même for the President of the Republic, my brother Adam Barrow, men nuclear coin control, now my president from Alaka, men for Nintuko, Ako Balantaka for Molioko, Akoyoko. Left him in the Wolin Alta, Alamul Karanta. You see, Alta, I mean, come on, for Alambaro, Billy Alonco, Balanta Kaful Benin Sato Konaja. I mean, for Bill and President Alonco, Balantol Benin Sato Konaba. No, Balantol, they have been here since the time of Jawara. Balantol Bejan, and we see the same thing with them. And Tolenica Fudun, Tolenica Kulkanyon, Toleni Besir and Kabila killing. But there is no fitna between the Balantas and any other tribe in this country. So, Mr. President, why? Why, Mr. President? Why are you calling on the Balantas? Can you for I mean, this is completely crazy. It's completely crazy. The President of the Republic, instead of Yabanku Dumul, be the Mal Katan Dinola, instead of Yabanku Dumul Damak, a family, you are trying to divide Banku Dumulu. I swear to God, the wording from the President, I meant for in the co, Balantoli Loco, Alta, Alamul Milialanku, Walla Karanda, a system Okono. You understand? Ako Alta, Aliela ila fongo samana ali told seve samana ali told samana. But say the most key important aspect here mena wala kumata jambadung wala nyindiko say balanta kaful fo balantol bila wala na nyimbanko kamma ani balantol meta nyimbanko kanne balantol they've been here for so long, so many here tin na say the president is inviting the Balantas when it is time for election. Just election water fella. Assist the sign them. President Balantol Kumandi Kafriko, Altala Mol Tul Safe, Alamul Melialonko, Walla Karanda, Alakaran Nalu. So, for Balantol the Son Labam, for the Son Labam, this is the biggest coxon Mealonko. We have it for every one of you people. Momo Yalonko Benjibekang, and Yinam Karbat, Ninkaro Mealonko, Bafoka, because I have friends Melialonko, Balantol Lemut, I have friends Melialonko, they are different tribes. But Shine, President Barobe Menki Kantembadi is this the right way? Funyanam Silotiba. So let us ask ourselves, being Funyananka, Funyanam Silotiba, Funyam Manka Siloti. But now, Janimbe Jamfalatron, Badulu, Baliko Chokoka Diawolo Fonda, Albina President Formula, about Fokang, Ala Diamonium Kola, Ben Fokam Balantoli. Ala Diamonium Kola, what I mean. This is very important. President Baro Diamokon. President Baro mean this is very important for na discuss what I mean. What is the meaning of Kafo Balantolioko? Alta Alamul Melialonko. Alamul Melialong Ikaranta ala Karanalo, Ali told Seve Ali Samana, Way mean. Because this is very important, and Ning and Nimuki Jafaraku Balati, Gambe Dumo and Dialonko, Emu Gambe Dumulti, Nimuki Jafaraku Balati, Itamari, the President of the Republic. Itaman Banco Dumulta, Yaka killing the Foka Banco Dumulta, I can make all in the co, Yaka Banco Dumulta Malta, Akeduniola. But sign Chokoka Dia all of Folda, I've been a President Bolofomela, I was Macon Milan Abifoka. Okay, saying okay, before Mbejam following point Mr. President, I mean for content. Ako modul beje. Janin bita about I mean for balantole. Ako modul beje. Ning kate fayo kana si. Welcome ko ni ka visa ni dongole. Ka visa ni la mole ka finti jam. Okay, say remember je wala ñu ko mbadu. Left all ñu understand. Juma le ka visa ni dongole ka finti jam. Many of these people, ñu mo let melia lonko. Ñu mo let melia lonko wolle be president Barrow bala bi. Mo melia lonko they have the capacity pour the visa ni dongole ka finti jam kata. I learned he knows those people. And today we wolle mo melia lonko wolle be kata president Barrow la. Ba mbiya jande. Mo melia lonko they are opportunists. Mo melia lonko wolle mo melia lonko wolle banko dun fitno kono nu jam. The lives of Sidin Jai, the lives of other people. Ñu la mo melia lonko I mean imangane soro ñu banko but the only intention they have for this country is be ñu banko bula fitno kono nyame. So I mean I can remember photo is from the president himself. Akwate he believe in grassroots politics. Who doesn't believe in grassroots politics? Do you man believe grassroots politics la? But say alila mo wo kuma kawo nyina o kuma kawo nyi I mean feeling. President Barrow kuma kuma I mean feeling. When President Barrow is dining and whining with the rich people here, it is when it is already bankola na fulo it ni molebo talaka nyote but ni molebo puntu ka nyote ma mele halonko all those people molde mele halonko I mean they are here in the combos. They are with you. You can't from molego grassroots. What grassroots? President Barrow I grassroots do mal empower. The grassroots I will empower. Alafunye. Because he is not going to talk about the projects mele halonko will lebe keka in Basse. Those projects going on Basse they deserve to have that project. And not only Basse. The entire Gambia deserve to have projects mele halonko their developments. So what Mr. President, I mean, we expect a president. Look, what man kafale ko, I mean, ni kafale ko ha, akafale ko ako nibe diamo la libule diam. It's just that coming alaning. It's on the video. Diamo nimbe diam fatala. So I just want to comment ala kumodolu. If I was having a hairpiece, I would just try to ala kumodolu pro aliye mo imbadi Gambian call. What President Barrow is saying. Somebody will President Barrow ay balantolo command kotange. Albe haklo ba kan President Barrow e manjagol command njan. Al haklo ba kan President Barrow nar community command njan. And dung na understand ko also President Barrow fana also because the governor of this place the governor of West Coast region Lamin Sane afana jolal command njan ay samba in the state house. But what happened was kabiwo jolal tara state house I mean, starter kafoko ha diamo starter kafoko ha nyumolu be na tele keno mataninten. And the person may along ko wole ni wotala je nyola wole mu Ablaye Bojang. Ablaye Bojang wole wo jola samanunje. So but mlakara one of the former ambassador to Saudi Arabia. So but mlakara wole nyunduko we me sambaje because when I Lamin Sana le command la ko President Barrow ko ale dankam President ko ale dankam so Lamin Sana I mean Mr. Bojang menake ay fo ñu dugul melan ko be jang ay mobilize ay samba at the state house but kabi for the state house ye men fo la ñu diko diam la commence ka ko ha Mr. President ñu fanam fo ñu ko la ñulti e ko na la pour que support di la ke la do ko ñu support ali la moy de This was the wording. You know, kuma kang melalongo wala bota presentable. Melalongo abo phone yung call taka abe present kang abo dollar taka abe present kang to who to the president. So kamera woli omwe eka no. So Mr. Boyang ka okay anyway nyum ikonyo drone president ko ola tina that one was not videoed. There was no media in that meeting. And where the media samananje. In fact, I think it was even recorded, but Minakada among populists because Minakada, what was the response of Ablaye Bojang in that meeting? Ablaye Bojang responded to the meeting that version or that video was not was not in populist. Well, I know video in populist because Ablaye Bojang ko eloko ntolu commissioner le command governor ko ako purun to later president waya Gambia salila mo inade governor Lamin Sane wole command wole fonyu ko dol command fonyu dolal kabla fonyu dolal command ko president Barrow ko purun sita kandang kama because this is the only type of politics be menke kam. This is the only type of politics be menke kam. So whoever moment ni me yalon ko you know it very well ko you are going I mean itemu dolalati wala mu manjakol wala mu saragulol wala mu mandin quality wallahi this is the only tactic me along President Barrow is doing. So abla bo yang kay ko no in fact kay Mr. President aka anyway kontanta lu kana jang kandang kuma comme ni kabiyon kumandi ni kan man sayo kumandi fo dan kama aka so wala acting na da kandang kuma. This was the statement of Abla Boyang. So kabla fa aka bod yemem fo ni ala yak ni finti tam dana mol kanam be diam la na mole. I remember even APRC lo muso nying that very APRC la muso dole mu afana mu jolalti afana beno mitin blaño noto yajele. So but it was the governor mayor organized. So aliyajele the kind of politics the President Barrow is doing. So but amanda wala it's a global invasion. Okay, it's a global invasion. A nar community invited nar community. So what the president is doing, the president is mixing the minority with the majority. I mean, there is no country where you don't have the majority. There is no country where you don't have the minority. Every country, dunia daudan, you have the majority and you have the minority. And the following information, dunia daudan, ye jama soto la yedo mandul soto. Fonna otonya yandi. Politiko se kay nyawnya nama fonna otonya yandi. But remember je wala nyundu ko mo man nan ka jutu nyon dola. We all have the same power in the country. May sembe kilo soto banko kan. But siata nyotele. Wallahi azim siata nyotele andung siol be foy son nyola. Foy son ko tonyala siata nyotele. Siata nyotele banko kan. So now that President Barrow ataka mo commande aka ndundi wol kumol kono ka foy ko ha I mean you have been marginalized. Aka tandi wol nako ikal marginalized le ka doyale. President Manyana Koki, President Manyana ka siol commandi ka foy ko I mean ikal doyale President Manyana kala. We expect the President of the Republic pour ay favor banku dungul me along is going to abi banku dungul la mine aba frindila abi banku dungul da makela bakile fakile ngulti. But minakada the President yewol commandi wallahi azim mbeya kuma kawul moyle kabri President manjagol commanda même fo mbeya moyle kabri narol commanda même fo mbeya moyle kabri ay balantol commanda même fo gambe beya moyle ay saragol commanda même fo gambe beya moyle ay fulol commanda même fo gambe beya moyle Ahmed Baya fo wol Ahmed Bako fulole wol to ko e kali balle e ka fali ko ako fulole ko e kali balle e ka fali ko ha al manke gambe dol dimbadol. And in fact, the president for in front of the Ako immigration officers ako you demote. They even demote those people. Ako immigration officers you will demote le. Ako you demote le. Your immigration officers you demote because of Minakata. They immersion ka violence carried some of the people la. So aliakara. So you can understand very well, the President of the Republic, so saying, immigration we expect the immigration to be independent. So immigration officers because according to the President, the immigration dole talajang. The immigration dole talajang and banko kanjang. Ye demote. Yeah, do go tala yele rank dindi because of Minakata they want to do their job. Because Minakata they don't want to give our ID card to foreigners. Imanle kanna banko kaito siga kadi foreigners sola. This was the warning from the president. You know kuma kaun me yalongo. Wala bodo na president undakono. Threatening the immigration officers. Ko kava balantole ko wallahi na lon ko immigration officers yalongo ikale bali ikamolo bali kaitola. Na dol fo demote because minakada because on ka ID card di molla wallahi they are just doing their job. So it's like you are threatening them ibe slandikanle. Mr. President, we don't expect the president to be like this. Wala tina ni ka fo this president abuka diamu ngamo gambian ko lok aka diamu le amanga mumunoti amang gambian ko le care aka diamu le president balo ka diamu le amanga mumunoti amang gambian ko le care. President Barrow ma kaya moka fa diamond amo kaya. President Barrow ma kaya police officer ya kanata ya amo kaya. Look, ya immigration officer sol fele ya bitekan. Ye Barrow barama. President Barrow man diam. The same day President Barrow they wrote that bloody letters. Wolong kila wala mu. The letter furu mo safe. Kafoko ka queen came a membanta kawo kontong. This is why ala monkey ala mu mansalti mansame yalongo mansa kilinem alati. Ala mu mansabalati de wallahi alazim ya Gambian call ta. Gambian call. Juta Gambian call wala atina kabi ye letter o safe Gambian call. Ye letter o safe e ko ka Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth e ko ka wolela sawo kontong. Akemala sawo. But the Savero me along, it was blunders. Big diplomatic error. Because before you talk about foreign countries, talk about your own people. Talk about your own people. Then even Diamula Dunia Banco de la Cola. Ifon la Molu. Ifon la Molu. Diamu ifon la Molie. Ila Mol Fada Nyambanko Kanyana, President Baroman Diamu, Gambia Dungule. Gambia Dungjale Fada, President Baroman Diamu. Ye Gambia dungu so muro la President Baroman Diamu. Accident be kerim banko kan. President Baroman na ay banko mol address. Aliamina Omari woye ngani ya soro banko dungul ya bang. This is my nyina mu nyina karo di mbade wulu. Aliamina woye ngani ya soro banko dungul ya bang mbade wulu. So ni ka famolo ko mumu lem. Amange mumu noti. The president is not a mumu. Amange mumuti. So the president have to come out and speak to the Gambian people. President ka fintina na kadiamu banku dungole ka banku dungola nyanto dila. Niya ye ko mo killing Gambia be kono. Mo killing mo be kato fayitele pour que banko nyaton kodi. It's for a purpose. Because it is mo me along ila kawo niya men for wala kake. So we expect you to come out and talk to us, but not to talk to the foreign countries. If it are you will keep making diplomatic blunders. Gambian call. Let's call a spade a spade. Fana tonya fanyoe. So President Barrow, même fana wala nyindi ko mbadu candidate because na kara na mira President Barrow ko call melke. Yes. So what I don't know Alongo, I'll be President Barrow Bala. Ali Amaron, this guy is going to help you people. I will list all the collect count. So it's like I can't the minority local sign. I'll list all someone yanang, Mal list all Mabola. I have minority local Anna, Alamul Milan Karanta, a little survey. Wallahi Azim. Look, people, my people. Namolu, Ngadiamatule, my people. And when I say my people, I am talking about Gambians, my fellow comrades. Gambian Ngadiamatule. The President of the Republic, Amal Buna, Amal Respect. Akavamenako. Alala molto sabe alla karan nalu. This means ko President Barrow is preparing kajako a minority lu. Walam siyo dolu. Siyo melialon ko walam siyo le tijang ne bunyala ne warama. But ke commande ko walam domande wulu. May commande ya domande yala because of imu domande wulu. But come ale talaro ke wala nyama. But ne bunyale ne warama. President Barrow ka fo wolle ko alla karan nalu because aka fo ko alla karan nalu yeba ne man do ko di alla karan nalla alla karan nal tol se ale samanya nan be do ko di lele for in fact ala jamo fo ko na ko ako yalo nyim denna man sakundal alila moy de ako nyim denna man sakundal namira nim momo yalo ko hakilo be bala denna man sakunda inyanda ka do ko di ni atraite hamoso do banko bele denna masakunda namiro do ko ni nyanda ka di mo bele lambadi wolo denna masakunda me alon kon dentala le badumla masakunda me alon kon dentala le masakunda me alon kon dentala le. What did we expect? Na expect la ko masakunda nyanda ka sioli beta ka do ko di sioli bela. But President Barrow fele say ako denna masakunda la nyindi but denna masakunda ni say ako sajol nimbalu wala be nyokono sajol nimbalu this means it's mixture nina mala kuma kawanti so Gambian kolu Gambia dewul mel yalon albe masakunda kono alila moy ako sajiol nimbalu ako wollebe nyokono ako anu sajiol nimbabu ko kum bunkele sak baya ko ning aliya katlo fayinje alila moy de parce que mbalo mina milo ko mo nyana ako naliya katlo fayinje sajiol nimbalu be bolo bunkelende dana masakunda nyimbe bolo kono alila moy Gambian kolu wallahi alazim parce que mbalo ko makawala nyinde ako sadio nimbalu wolle be bunkelo kono anu sadio nimba ako wobuka kum bunkelo kono bala ko ni ali karto fayinte pesam baroye ibajala ko sadio bi de famale bali ete famma sa ko jani wato ko si say ako balanto le ko alta alla karan nalu alla mul lan ko wal karantale alta ali tol safe ali samanyanan ali la moyde alta aliye tol safe aliye samanyana na keep in our fight ibajalo ko nin tol winter nina election ko nin tol ni winter ni NPP masakunda winter otumo wala minamba la mo melan aliye tol dina otumo wala be do ko dilela but nin atara alman karto fayne dis min kon ta do ko dila alla molla but fo Gambia targo ko wonana kala bang fasala wala kayra ba jawra muntumala ay jolal kumandi muntumala ay mandin kol kumandi muntumala ay fulol kumandi ka foyo ko alalla mol tol safi ale samanyana pomna do ko dila wallahi azim basala wala kayra ba jawra kamen ko wala nyindil ko you apply through the due procedure you apply through the due process ika silole noma mazakunda do kudla me yalonko e buka fo je ko dolada ma nyanda kanaka invitation samana jang ibuka fo jeko man ngode ma nyanda ka invitation samanan jang ibuka fo jeko surwada ma nyanda ka invitation samanan jang sorry I mean application samanan jang banku dimo be raisoro la pour ka apply naminaje Gambia ko ne ka foko ni application no me yalongo ni manka jolati manyana ka apply masakunda ko namina oje namina application woni banko kan application me yalongo e ka foko ni manka man ni ko ni manyana ka apply wonam na sura ni banko kan jang application wol mel be kan ni foko Gambian if you are a Gambian and you can speak so and so language it depend ni ade kan ni foko ni mu Gambian noti so Gambian ya wala kuma jam follow sio man kuma jam follow Tonyala msiara nyosele tonyala but Gambian ya welcome my we are all Gambians dolem bakhilim fakilim multi so my expect the president of the republic Gambia la banko nyaton ko my expect ko wala nyanta kalo ka fa Gambia dingule ko alta la karan nal tol safi ale samana bari alla karan nalu e bugo samka do ko dila too sad ni ko ya wala batale my brothers kabina nyi njibe nyo kwenda back because my expect of the president abelu kusifal kala je president Barrow mo le beta bul follow me la ko e man do ko dino wala follow and they are working for you day and night. Day and night. Emandoko di wala follow. Eka siol commandi. But in wala nanko Gambia siol falbe sonna nyana la bang. But in fact, mol melialonko wala ka mol organized. And some of those people mol melialonko they are principal. Imo principal ole de karambonto. Tijalla muti. Niata mo me alongo principal ole karam mu nyaton ko le o maridi yewa samana ya bulande wo sifa dam fan sokono ya mele wonala karam da dinul be kala nyaadi le karam moto bar mo me alongo mo docteur le woti docteur ya sifa dam fan so dinda kum kono ya mele wo docteur woni sidol be kala nyaadi le lepp jaral dulayen to mbaade mul jaral dulayen to mbaade mul so the sifa dem fanso mon kum banko kan every time mi najana mi fulale mbadi wulu mbogi holo fi affaire hek baawut ñun yépp ay Gambian nen we are one family we should not allow the president to use tribal politics and divide us. There is no room for tribalism in this country. I am a Gambian. You are a Gambian. The right I have in this country is the same right you have. I respect you, you respect me. So please, let's love each other. Let's embrace each other. Tribalism have no room in our communities. Tribalism have no room in our society. Tribalism have no room in our schools, in our hospitals, in our public offices, please. We have seen tribal conflicts in the other part of the world. But what was the result? So we are appealing to the entire Gambians. During the time of Sadara Kairaba Jawara, there was no tribalism in this country. One will say that there was tribalism, but I said there was no tribalism. We are one family. Mandagos were working in Jawara's government. And in fact, Mandagos were even working, were even appointed into the office of, were even appointed as ministers. But in fact, Dolas were appointed as ministers in this country. Karolinkos were appointed as ministers in this country during the time of Sadara Kairaba Jawara. So the minorities were never been neglected in this country. So we don't expect the president to be using tribalism to get popular. Don't use the minority against the majority. So I am calling on every Gambian, every patriotic Gambian, let's put hands together and fight against tribalism. Nobody should use tribe to divide us. Please, my fellow comrades, this is my appeal to the entire Gambians. Thank you. The next topic is going to be about NPP diasporas. This is the bombshell. NPP diasporas. Kunung mbe nyimakinte la moy kan nyimakinte anin juma anin Lamin Demba nyimakinte anin Lamin Demba mbe la moy kan kunu yalong ni atara mol kalo e ka foko yuti punko la kan ndiroke. I just want you guys reference di lala alta nyimakinte la Facebook page kunung ñu leen ndiro menki Gambian ko la alda nyima kindala Facebook to kunung nyima kindanyole ndiro menki Gambian kolla nyima kindanyole ndiro menki Gambia alfa alla so ni kana e ka fale ko yudi pun kolla kan ndiro alte la moy nyima kindala anin Lamin S Demba. If you are not friend with nyima kinde, if you are friend with Lamin S Demba, alte la moy kunung yen ndiro menki Gambian kolla. But alte la moy how these people ñu mo let mol mel ya lonko e man Gambian kol buña alte la moy ñum mo le melon ko e ko karantale Lamin S Demba atako ate is a lawyer in UK. Lamin S Demba ko ate mu loyalty Angleterre banko kam bor Gambian kol wallahi alte la moy Lamin S Demba la kunu aka kuma kama memfo ali la moy ñimma kintala kunu aka kuma kama memfo ali la moy ñol la kunu ye nandiro men ke Gambia alfa la kunu ali la moy ye nandiro men ke Gambia alfa la kunu. Andong ike kali Lamin S Demba ke kali ako president balo buka Gambian ko la kodo sunya but Lamin S Demba memem fo wala ndiko anytime nan nata aliye fan ya fo Gambian ko le mbetala ka findi yan kala fan ya nen kata ka lankema banku dingole mbadi mo alila moy mena mem fala Lamin S Demba ni nyimma kinde kunung ila diamo kite men de mbadi mo e ko president balo buka Gambian ko la kodo sunya ndaka ko Gambian ko la kodo sunya le. Yes, and I have my proofs. Na proofs also. Baden Gambian call. Yalong signaro siva siatale. President Barrow nim kukuru ni meyalo akida banko kan ku jawolem andu na expect lako investigation keda andu President Barrow la mol le oke ala do kulalu mol me yalo ko le do ku kam masa kunda ni President Barrow me bay ko do President Barrow ni wol dul ka je ko ani wol be mu kilingol bugo nim mo do ko le masa kunda ko no moli ya kalam da ko ay suñaro leke moli ya kalam da ko ay tiñaro leke moli ya kalam da ko abe ko leke ga me ya longa amang damien ko nafa President Barrow ya kalam da President Barrow mo mol bay this mean ko President Barrow is working with those people al kam men voka fuko ha President Barrow ha Gambia account discipline al ka fuko ha IMF ha will ya make sure le ko Gambia financial transaction is all transparent. Lam is the man let ka men fa wala ñu ko tolo man stupid we are very intelligent don la intelligent kedati na karaw mon jamfa but we are intelligent karantale na do man ñu men kanam or at least we figure out Lam Esdamba now there is civilized stealing suñaro me yalo ka kan civilized way of stealing contract me yalo ko the contract ni anyanda kala let's say for example 5 million. They will make that contract contract 10 million or maybe 7 million. So where is the 2 million going? 2 million nyakara muntole. Wala kana President Barrow kalo akasiso liba. Akasiso liba kafoko Gambian kolu. Ndebe mansa kala fonna bang. Gambian kolu altelo la kafoko nde President Barrow nala ko lo sunya. Yeah, look, I mean Gambian kolu, this is what we need to understand. Ika kodo sunya civilized way of stealing wala be carry. Let's say for example, the Banjul project me yalongo akeda. President Barrow ka siso kon Banjul project o menna. Banjul project o nya amanta to the due procedure amanta an silola. And in fact, your contract on sigal ya di mo kilingula. Iba joga Gambia kodo more than 2 billion. More than 2 billion, not million, but 2 billion Gambia kodo. Iba siga kam kadi mo kilingula hadim gay. Gambian call. So what had him gay? Woman multi-million go aka President Barrow political support is a contractor. Aka President Barrow political support. So woman multi-million go wala ka kodo di President Barrow because me na ka kickback. Your contract go siga ya di mola I kickback go siga ya di la. But in fact it's not even a kickback because me na ka that is a percentage ka men la kan me ya long that goes to them. So masakuna ka joro kele sign because for example nin deal sign go ko a contract ko dile ba ñu contract ko ni me ya le ko this contract ni pour ay keno anyama contract ko ni is 5 million sa contract ko ni mba overestimate le mba kala 7 million sa 2 million ni mba wala sikala ka di o ba kala return ka wala kickback na kalamta ko sign al ka balu wala la. So first I want to bank don't la kodo di bansai. La mindamba you were here. Ya jela ko businessman ol mel yalon ko wala ni President Barrow be nyoko no yeyele and yalon ko why they are with the president. Yalon ko mina tinne the President Barrow bala yalon very well. Hakalan road. Hakalan silo me yalon ka be caring. Hakalan silo ning. CSE and Israeli company wala multi-million go wala ya ko nyim tenda but mina get the Hakala road ala fo mole Gambian kolu la mi esdamo you need to understand this Hakala road men ke je mbeyalon nyomin kolla siloni ko men ke je Gambian kol beyalon and in fact the Israeli company nyim fo they want to sue the government to court ila taka masakuna sama kitiola le we know it. Because we know Israeli company they have already been awarded the contract. So Israeli company me alongo CSC contract ko di wala sign. Wala mo let me alongo. Masakunda e contract ko di wala already they have their document. So Israeli now company me alongo bejang. That company. Wo company me alongo. Yes, slowly wala already. But minakata kabe slowly wala. Ya jeko dim kono membe ja siadale. So ye minaka sign yo la contract go nyinda ya terminate. Say yes CSC samana. CSC na sign. because now CSC shine eman do ku ke eman fenke CSC eman do ku ke eman fenke ye contrat go sika ya award to CSE sen CSE mi lake CSE o contrat go nyinta ya sika ya di back to the Sierra Leonean company because look at that they believe that the Sierra Leonean company will not give them a kickback because well they are following the due process. So you understand that the Sierra Leonean company is not going to give them a rebound. Well the color dealer because me akalam dalako hakalam zot me ketaje because World Bank IBAD International Financial Organization of Dolu. Dunia kono. Banki sol mele alonko ela taka kodo dépense pour wo hakala road nin ela taka dépense. Masakunda ya alonko iman level tilon la ko nin kono. You know my fellow Gambians, I mean one thing you can understand. It's too sad. Madam wa nuclear wana battle. Nuclear wana battle and battle. So I mean, I was quiet. Come on, I was crying in my heart. Menun kumbo lan sonno moko lo bake. Anunga men kumbo gamien ko wala nyinti. Pesembaro la mul mel ya lonko e ka finti. E ka fago pesembaro abuka gamien ko la ko do ma. E ka fago pesembaro buka femma gambia la ko do kono bade wala. If you are watching the program, please share the show because this is very important. I have a very clear information about all these things. So share the show. Because I'm going to share Lieutenant Olanyindiko. I'm not going to stay here now too long. Monta mela jang kotenke. Lieutenant Olanyindiko. Lieutenant Nyoma ko jandu sai. This is very important because I have a very clear information. Na komo koy ba me alonko na ole soto. Nya hakala road la call because mina kata na lamin SDM bala moy na lamin SDM bala moy bade wolu na lamin SDM bala moy dumala lamin SDM bati mola me yalon ko ko loyala mati angati banko kan e ko watelam NPP la diaspora chairman ti NPP problem president barola patio e katala mula chairman in diaspora but membe je wala ñundu ko badi wulu lafta drong pour sa kachani na I just want to share a story lafta nali tariko le sia new tema wala ñundu ko namo ya ko president baro man gambian ko la kodoma president baro ko gambian ko la kodoma ako because tubabolu ako wol jane ke la kodo di ako kam men ko wala nyindi ko e ka make sure ko ale financial discipline soto wala ale kulu soto alla na flora dépense wala karola but okay mambala wala mission no problème te je fa ka foko ako al central bank la gofono nyinin ka fo president baro ko kodo ta jel ha ko kodo ta jel but ntiaje ko lamin na miro do hata bak anu lamin ya miranu Gambia dingul man fahamo soto kotanke but just la femme na wala ñu ko kalamin put on sport katani lamin na ko tolu nyaayla talent tol sono be balale anu be jibero ke kanne andum Gambian kolu momo yalon ko be nanyum kuma ka moyla sen la moyani hakilo la bake ni la mo ne hakilo la wallahi andum idim molti mi yalon ko e Gambia kanule ibe kala mot me yalon ko president balo ko ibe bolo jele ferek badewulu na diamo ñu follow wala mu na comme banyun projet o ñing jumale tamu banyun projet o ñi yadi jumala yadi hadim gelela jumalam hadim gay mu multi me yalon ko Senegal en kolam bondi kabi ya jembe jamano nu jang benu jang aka jimbo wa fole ke num ka jimbo wa fo ke so be jimbo wa fola starta comme ka supply di state house wala asata ka taylol nim fon supply state house otumo sol baj ñol beje o kono anarna na ke mod melan ko dunta e ka contrat ko diala yalon comme mome yalon ko ni contrat ko dila ninte contrat ko dila mejikla ko nin contrat ko nyimmu million kemel lulleti ni atara for example na ke million keme woro wolati na million keme fulo nyin ibo dila na la ko ba dila na because yalo na ko ndo ko man kala do kuti andum akoyde tam wala akoyde tam ko do go nyimmu million keme lulleti ba sayen to la ke million keme woro wolati because nimma ke million keme woro wolati ko do nyinta bondla no masakunda la bojito ko do baring do ko nyindam do ko me ya lonko masakunda la molu wala ka kolo njo so hadim gay atata ko do go sifala ke sayen kabrim pesa baro la masakunda na ra hadim gay kilo akita moti me ya lonko hello yes Hello? What? Ha. Me live after me call please. Me live after me call. Yes, please. Okay. Sorry guys for that obstruction. So Kajanyun do by some more fly and common science I need to do some other stuff. So nalamin damba moy abe kumol foka ko pesambalo buka Gambian ko la koloma. Bandol ko pesambalo ka Gambian ko la koloma. Aka Gambian ko la koloma nyaadile ukuma la pruna fo nyoy. Pesambalo ka Gambian ko la koloma nyaame wala nyunti ko. Contracol milialo ke di ko contracol di jumalela nyaaye janna contracol milialo ko mansa kunla ka stadium wol doku o stadium contracol yedi jumalela o stadium contracol yedi jumalela fo o mo nyul mo contracol le tibang contracol be banko kan jam milialo ko dia contractors bagazol bebulu bon mele kada mansa kunla buka doko di o contractol directly so mansa kunla kan men ka wala nyindiko mansa kunla ye mol le sedo bala mol mel yalon ilata wollella ilata ko mol niewol jo lesse ni masakunda wol jo la account do o mari nyol be million sikala ya sika ya dito la pour ya bule la politiko kono masakunda sañ ni tammen kono eka contrat ko di aussi fa la so contrat ko me yalon ko for example ande kala 5 million te ba kala 7 million nete so 2 million nyi e bo wala dila so 2 million ni say ba jalo ko say amin e kam men fo wala nyunti ko president baro buka gambia la ko do ba president baro ko gambia la ko mal buka president baro ya la ko 2 million men sike ka diala na 2 million ngi ya jo mina kama ya jo pour ka silo le doku ya jo pour ka doku ko gambian ko le but president baro will keep that 2 million so wo ko sifalu president baro e bunyawolo wole la manka mon kunda because nali ajibe e ka president baro jo jelle la gambia ka president baro jo jelle ala kalfa jo mu jelleti so president baro lo kalfa jo ko ne tara mole me ya lon ko abuka gambia lo kodo ma amanta mo me ya lon ko ñu contractol me ya lon ko ala kaf ñoo mal la muti ni wa tara wol buka kodo diala say president baro yo bunjangol lo nyaadi okay say let's come here president baro kaf ñoo ma jiko president baro la kaf ñoo ma jiko wala mo me ya lon ko be ya karam tan TRRC Usman Soko ako contract say ako e wala sika yadi jiko without no tender contract say jiko so wo jiko mo kilum wala kita mo me yalon ko parce que mbaro e farafanya do ko membe ke kanje parce que mbaro yadi jiko la basé la marché o fana ko nga parce que mbaro yadi o jiko kilum ni na basé marché so ni hadim ge kilum me yalon ko ba fokante ye banjur project sika yadi hadim ge la dam yela ko do billion fula yo la budget for that project but sa fo o billion fula ni sai o kata o ko ni be fo o bida do ko ko la ban fa mon da do ko ko abada ko ni tira do ko ko billion fula man ko o do ko ni ko but sa this min ko to ni akata mun tole la min estamba ko to ni akata mun tole ida mo gambian ko le say nimboto do say mina CSE la contrat ko nyunto Minister of Works and Construction ya amin ya minake ya doko sikale ya doko di jumala ya doko di num amin salarial company ya di wala ba kabi ya doko di wala inadna cancel le ya doko di jumala ya doko di CSE la but CSE mantal doko ke kan wa salarial company wala doko ke kan right now because CSE fa wala subcontract again sa dus ala jibe le Gambian ko say sila do ko nyana kala Gambia kono CSE me alon ko say alko wollam compagnie du compagnie me alon al jigda wala la al jigda compagnie la wala compagnie me alon wala do ko kala nyama alko compagnie la fisata ni salon compagnie de me alon al wala bal ale do ko di wala wala nyanta ko do men talaje ya taje be siring la bun kono e man do ko ke man fenke ya ko do soto wala na ko dogo ni sika ya dogo ni sika ya di salon compagnie nyina ni ata masa kunda ga CSE jo million keme nan la say masa kunda CSE be menaka wala nyundi go CSE be salon compagnie bol jola million keme saballa say million keme woni itol bo be talal say CSE ni jumala ko million keme woni tala CSE ni jumala ko million keme woni tala mbadi Gambien ko lafta pour no nyoso hakilo la nyinato Mansabuka bulobula bankola namo kono directly de Mansabuka bulobula bankola kesho kono directly science say ka me smart stealing say smart stealing le bekere comme smart garden bekere nyamem smart garden smart forest and smart stealing ferato sunyaro ferato gardino ferato foresto say nyina bekere ngambe banko kam isa banko na flo sunya banko mo talonna bari il faut ka lonna ko ite me ya lonko ila banko na flo sunya kan aka koyi mala ko ka banko na flo sunya badul when some Minister of Agriculture albe ya lonna ko President Barrow fele Gambian ko one thing you guys don't understand kabin tawo me ya lonko COVID-19 be caring COVID-19 Maimuna Balde Kema Asan Jallo Maimuna Balde Kema Asan Jallo ya samba muntole ya samba as a permanent secretary Minister of Trade Maimuna Balde Kema permanent secretary Minister of Trade because otumo masakunda pareta pour ka na fulo bondi pour ka manol san anin fenwulu anu na fulu jama bala bondi mais c'est un million keme luluti but anana na ka tambe fuma almost million keme wora wula nyong ya même bondi ko ya be sam manola pour Gambian ko sa ya minake pasambaro ya minake ay Asan Jallo ta ay bondi Minister of Agriculture Asan Jallo me ya lonko ko wala jambal sunyake ansa wa kitiyo buka femmoyje so inana mina ke Asan Jallow samba munto ya samba Minister of Trade san kabilo manol be sanda bagasi men be sanda ya be sang ya kono tala nyotema ya bankolo kono tala nyotema momo nyanda ka men soto ya sang manolo ko nyito mol man fesoto je gambe dungul be jam ya lonko e man fesoto mano nyanda ko nyito e man femboy mano nyanda ko nyito ya Asan Jallow ya samba trade abe trade albeya kalam de ko president maro project do lo ni ka fa me ko agricultural project millennium agricultural project albeya kalam do lume ya lon ko e suko siate lume ya lon ko adiyam tanum fo e bibin ko nyepita kan num ya diamundi otumo suko siate be fere to bondi kan kata NPP suko siate o midingo men aten num sanola kayra ba jawra conference center president maro kay agricultural project do me ya lon kay wolo lonj bari la signal falo ke minati ya falo sang ya sol sang itana ko di senal la bar jalli be falo do mbadewul say ya minaki say Asan Jallow say kabri ya lon ko say o projet no nyim canal to Minister of Agriculture ko dange ya Asan Jallow bondi Minister of Trade ya samana Minister of Agriculture Maimuna Balde kema President Barola Women's Mobilizer akema Asan Jallow ya Asan Jallow bolina Minister of Trade bayin sa contrat ko me je kodo me ya lonko wala be je sa yo kodo ni sai yo be banne ya banko kodo be bula nyokono ya banko kodo be tala nyotema ya Asan Jallow bolina Minister of Trade ya samana Minister of Agriculture ko denke mome ya lonko ko jamban sunya ya wala ke Minister of Agriculture mome ya lonko ko tinyano ko agriculture e ma samba ki foko ba samba la kidiola ya kidio nyim bay mamul job jamano ja ko ba samba la kidiola ya kidio nyim bay e be gambe dungu dol samba kan kidiola wa Asan Jallow kilo yola bolina Minister of Trade ya samana mundo Minister of Agriculture as permanent secretary again pour ibaje lako ya kodo me samana pour gambe senelalu e be kodo yin tala nyote ma nyamen comme ye Gambia la mani kodo tala nyote ma nyamen Minister of Trade akoba la fawara battle de akoba la fawara battle ye Gambia la nafulo ya tala nyamen Minister of Trade kabrin tawo me on COVID-19 be kering ye kodo tala nyote ma nyamen Minister of Trade mbadewul Saya Asan Jallow bolina Minister of Trade le as a permanent secretary e ma announce to the Gambian people albeya kalam dalako e ka permanent secretary milita ke bondi e ka announce le e ka Gambian ko le lako na kar bondi janna na kar samba jana bar ya kan fero le kono e man song e ma announce Gambian ko le pour ya kalamuta muntumala ala kalamuta ko e Asan Jallow boli trade le as a permanent secretary of Trade ya samana munto ya samana Minister of Agriculture al mamo e Gambian ko because men kada ibe sunyar ko so Lamin S Demba nga foye ka sunyaro ka this is smart way of stealing nyina fair do sunyaro sai in sifale be caring so the president is not going to central bank kada ko kono siga comme ya jame kaka nyame no e buga ke wonyama this is smart way of stealing so this is smart way of stealing nyina mu sunyaro sila kutoni nyina be caring ndol hey ndol ko kono jang every day we are investigating every day wallahi ngale ko you will be surprised even this OIC member caring the conflict of interest member caring OIC la project we know it the conflict of interest member caring OIC elani project men kana we know it na lon but malaf ko ma bi malaf ko ma bi de so Asan Jallow say ya samana muntole ya samana Minister of Agriculture ya samana Minister of Agriculture ni atara sunyaro montareto mome ya lonko alko wala sunyaro ke wala jamal sunya ka jani oje jalla nyol Gambia be fo masa kunda fo ya safe ko nyim molti me ya lonko sunyaro ma so ba yela ko sain parce que mbaro ka sum kanyolu mol me ya lonko wala sumbal di sada kono parce que mbaro ka woleta aka wala sam aka wala use wal sum kino mome ya lonko ko sola mati wala jamando sunya jang di same passing wala molti me ya lonko ya sama Minister of Trade adena men kala je aya kaje kodo ya agriculture kodo ke ya samala minister of agriculture ni wo kodo banta kodo ke e ba samala wherever kodo be je ba samala wolto wherever kodo be dawdran they will take him there kodo be dawdran ni because nakada abe kala gambela kodo sunyalale abe kala contrat ko dila molla la faka di mella bagas ina ka bagasol men sang ibe dila molla le mel ya longo wol be kala kodo mutala ka dila. Let's call a spade a spade. But when I follow you, banko you move. So, Lamin Esdam, we know it. Mambalang, President Barotida, I never Gambela Kodokang, Central Bank Ayabondi, because Central Bank signed, Silo member, you put in the Kodoka Yabondi, it's not a problem. But Minakada, the Accountant General, Mola Mealongo, Omula Molet, President Barola appoint, Mambulanja is the minister. So any budget you will summon, any budget you will summon. But you must bring a budget. If a budget will summon, budget will be alongo. Through the Minister of Finance, I to the Accountant General approve at a central bank with a check. Kodoka boni central bank with a check. So check in Dwala, check in Safe. Check in Mamburanjai and the Accountant General will like a check on inside. So any project so but now the technicians, the so-called technicians, they inflate, they do inflation. They come in project 5 million, 7 million Gambian coal. We will be here all the time to expose them. What the word expose Gambian coal aliakalamuta. President Baroji pick up all messam, I have Kodobo ni Muntole, Baroya ni Kodobo ni Muntole, Gambian coal, send you Lulu. Mutomenga sa 1.3 million, Muratan Lulu in Feng, President Baroya Kodobo ni Muntole, Namanga kickback odi, contract gold million, KD contractor land, those are the kickbacks. President Baroya Bunja Mello, the mini state house, a state house of Mello, a state house of Mello Mankamukunda, President Baroya Kodobo ni Muntole Gambian coal. Abukana Central Bank Kolota Yolfo. Let me ask them a call. Ako President Baro Bukana State House Kolota and State House. I saw Central Bank. But sa aka Kolobo ni Muntole, Malaka Kolodiala, Eka Kolodiala for what intention? Eka Kolodiala mini Hamokang. Gambia Dungul Befaka. Gambia Lopanul Mboroseto. Inatea Omorjala. You will never see those contractors. They go and donate our hospitals. Inata contractor jala ye fes mutumala ali amoyko hadim gaye ambulance sang adi Banjul hospital and hadim gaye as social responsibility lam nyinti ala social responsibility lam pour ay ambulance sang adi Banjul hospital la ala social responsibility lam nyinti pour ay boro sang adi Banjul hospital la ala social responsibility lam nyinti ka tok ka Banjul dewulta ke sama karamoldo because minakata is earning millions from the people of Banjul. Tax returns. Banku dulu kan affluent jo kamurundi kan. So any company me ano ke banko kanya, you have the social responsibility. But say minatina that social responsibility e bukaji banku dulu la foka sika e kan sika di president wala. President kan ko be bondi muntole, aka ko be base pen aka be bondi muntole. So let's use our brand Gambian people. So, President Barola ni siyo level kumandi say. Ala fanya. Ay kono jela ni siyo la. Duma la kono di President Barola. President Barola karfa jo mu jelati. Ay besi na miyo nyela. We have to be serious. Ale dunia bankol me ya develop ta. Iman develop o nyama. Konnanta ya mbolo bola nyo sono mo kono. Allah konnanta ya bonu sono mo kono na Gambia bankoje. President Barola masakunda mu sunyar masakunda ndele yako. Sunyar masakunda. Anu nenga fo mboka sila. Damugasila because nala nako sunyar masakundalam tajrante masakunda kurolem emam Gambia dungul hati ye kumuda mala hati par najiji ko Gambia dun kendol be yakalam dala ko tonya ñun man Gambia dungul hati ñu le fongul kumuda mala hati wallahi I believe 100% go Gambia dun kendol be all patriotic Gambians will be yakalam dala go who is the president Gambia dun kendol be so Lami Esdamba stop fooling Gambian people. Ita be Angleterre bangol kam. Ita Uncle Ted Bank Olaka. Hello? Yes? Hi, Islam. Okay, Bismillah, Sayo. Okay.
Bashirbo Adamambaro Lako Barafalamu, Ikamen for the Nakan Kula Mumea to Nata Kuokonamuna new Kumul for the Bigata Chili Board of Supreme Court of the High Court of the Yamuna Bigata.
Thank you.
Nakan Kumul Milka Adamambaro Lamansa Kundama B, Na Atranum Manino, Kala Kamola Kalela Num, Danum Manino B, Kumul Milka for Nitonia Genu, Ebida Supreme Court Langolo, Kama, Purgamol Demo Tlanabe. But Niaje Bukataje, Chief when you must have Tano, one line you must have Tano, but Joe written in many Choloka, Eaton Abo, Motil Murayo, Dina Mansa Kundamona. What do you expect? It is a muta for Mansa or Mansa Kundabitano, to Laham and woman. I'm sorry because he might lie no yellow, so but coming Kumakan in Bala again, when you knew we had a back and left of room for an not comment demanding Gambia no Salam when you move so Hakiloti, Manchapo, the member commando and Glakilo Wata, Lamor Lati Hani.
Yeah, this is why I pick your call because now if I'm Gambia ko abesono mo konole because it's very heartening now. It's very disheartening.
Mela or my back, the Mela or my boy, my back, there's some more no Takamba.
I don't care for you, the Melanco, you know, I can't do a nuclear or a battle.
Baka. Aning kumo fulanya fana mbita Sheikh Umar Faila kuma kanto. Sirfo bari Gambia Adamo Barola nyimol men ya murundeng. Gambia nolo nyanta kan hakilo tu ro bake. Imanka banko jawol lal munyuti. Nyanta kan hakilo tu nyuno baka. Aning kunum fana ngaji ben kunum fana aka ay fenkol kumandi kafonya di ay shido kumandi batantolo. Yalo ni mo disparate tamala be menkela kanyina ke nyalo na ko mani no aba alonko silo tabulu abe vinno la Gambia kono nyame sirfo Gambia no manka molti men yalonko bi be wol nya ebe nyamen di nola ati turka wol muda e ka wol muda e ke nyamen ata possible nola ina de ko mol yako nyem memfo sanji saba shida iko ita da jile be tambile bita sanji lulu fanan shida ita da iko kada mid the farmer store la yemo lo na fulo beta ita da imo mid the farmer store kaje ita da mu fanan iko political party la lo o political party fanan lo ko la ko dage iko ita bida mu la ko dage ite sanji tan lulu ita bida won i mu sa ko dage ko ni kanye da campaign wato ko mano be kala chama wora wuna iko draft constitution because it come south nada Adamo Barola Fenkoro Lumen na State House mbele ala moy ako draft nyanta bolale weta referendum mola so woldol manche ikako akate jiando security reform nyanta kala security reform man ako wol be nyanta kala wol be man sila nga Gambia no nyininka mbe nyininka le to lal hakilo wartan kat bar mbe nyininka la fo adama e nem foye fo adama akela bang fo mata fo adama jartala bang nyin san kono moy adama ka second tamu diala bang nyebe mo nyininka la walla so ko lal men fanam be ko kala e fanan sanna nyin bula jabi mbe mo be dan na wala
thank you very
much
much
ga adama qualify banka sa ngay fo mo li nan ko presidency tam follow banku dimul lal ko dila ala ta ko la bar fulan de wala ke fan sindi de sirfo de al nga tonya ko ñoye
yeah thank you
ila follow de pe banku dimul lal ka karto fa ye shi na treta man ci de kala mo la shiga ida ku de tana because adama baro banku dimul fo sam wala yasin but niaje adama baro be lola ba fola ko e abe siol command la bulu bala abe siol command la marala at is spread alon ko ke silo tabu pourquoi because ama trop la fi pro o trop nyin tio be fa aman tio fi pour tio fa dinga sirfo ni na mu tonya
yeah thank you very much no problem the number yeah abaraka bake modu fana no komondo te thank you
mo be share comme na dino ton ni la kuyata matu no je ngo pour ngana nga din fay kuma kan wala nyun ka wadin se janim be kuma kan bula le sai ce dan wala be bango be dan na wala fo adamo baro wal fay tala bang pour kas ni sanji lulu ko tan men panaten jamin 2026 kate fo bi da kala wala ko daga fo bango tol so kato dino adamo baro la bang pour kas sino ko se ay lahi dole men fo modi ay be kasarale amam fenke so mbe mo be dan na wala men be la mor wala wala lu hakilo watanda baba so bar buru mbe nyi hakilo di la Gambia no fananda nga nyoso hakilo la bango mbeltamu natara nyato mbeltamu na musa ko ma fananga bembe la torala membe banko torala mo banko din cendo man nyanna sonna wala adama da banko sambano la mo be fala lolu mo be be mo sora murola tan ko man bete andu na banko namo ko do nga jo wala so nyi mbarambe dan na janne because mo be siala la mo ro be kering nyato do mon din ko rage nin ko mo me morla nan ko rage inshallah
thank you very much. That's our brother. After contribution on your morality. You can still call. The number to call is 288-5588, 288-5588, 288-5588. I have seen one brother here, something Gomez. The guy want to make a call, and if you are in, the number to call is 288-5588, 288-5588. Brothers, comrades, Banul, comme katamu diamond to don wala ko na banko ko wala katakang banko juma Gambia la ko wala katakang dolbe mu Gambia din lati an to lemba kilim fa kilonti an kana song moyena nang sifatam fanso akakan damal jindi nyola andong na mem fala wala nyindi ko kibaro membe mbulu wala nyindi ko na kalamta ko a president baro anala mulu ila fero mu nyede ko say Monsieur la Yusla, Monsieur la Kafla Nyoma, pour te fighting against a single tribe. You will mula ferol di bandule menjo wala nyuko, wallahi wamu kuret me along ko ata Gambia sambala nyato, bala be Gambia sambala komale, o mbesa kara dron, bayari nina asude momo nyambala, comme wala me along ko ata lafta ni jika sifala na kara nan ko dio marila e bajala ko banko no silano nyato domandi. Na men kala mo banko ko wala nyuko a karonin ko lembang balantol lembang Madako lembang surwal lembang jolal lembang fulul lembang mandinko lembang dolemba kilim fa kilomoti dolaka futu nyoye dolaka ra nyola samato dolaka ben jaman kilomoto o ni antara mume ya lon ko lafta kan to lebundi nyokoto pour ga damale sel nyokan manyana sonna ko nyina to mbade ngulu atul mel ya lon ko alben jibe kan nin tembeng nim momo lafa commando ko lesa commando kenole 2885588 2885588 na hamu menti wala nyundi ko be diabla Gambia la ko wala nyamen na kajali bi academy de wala nyundi ko voters card fele aliamo ko IC ko mekaro men kana IC ko ni mekaro men kana le de registration ko asla bari ko momo li yalon ko yemo soto yemo long ade IC isa fa mari yeno ko inshallah pro mari asakato ke pro amari I do ko ni ko I sene ambadu we have another call again. Let's pick that caller. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, mbara bi jang eleva contribute la fo. Yeah. Asa bismillah is here. Everybody, yeah, bismillah.
Yeah, the left them for the MPP call the left mul mislead la lega mul mislead le ko men be ka tama Gambia nyaka jele bari ka kumo don le no so ndol Gambia no men beje sign to adul men beje on the ground because bibi la technique Gambia mala ngol te panta Gambia be batala ba aju be ro mo be ka sasa fundraising le ka kumande wol la no ya
bien mo kan
so fundraising ol men be ka geten Gambia ol men be outside wol le ka ke Gambia be damen do mo be parata le sai ya understand so mala ol le ka Gambia ol ma koy ya understand so wala be je no so ndela fa wol contribute anu ndela da men fo la commenting sai tan ni karte fa yo kana UDP call inyata lola le because ñu la fa karte le suñala ñu la ta
No problem. Hello, somebody's calling again. Gambian number. Hello?
Yes, so you don't want to contribute la baraka back.
No problem. Somebody was calling direct number. Bademolu, the number to call is 288-5588. 288-5588, that's the number to call if you want to join the program. And the number to call is 288-5588. 288-5588, number to call. You can call that number, 288-5588. Now we have only 5 minutes to go. Na minute lulda master wrong. Hello, brother. Yes, 11 contribute la fo. Okay, bismillah. Yes, yes, molu mo ka.
Baraka ba nge kondo nge tundu nge jaya baraka ba ke dolo mo be do ko kenne bala ino ndebe ko ke ga Italy lan de to mo kal camera, Hello.
Demo bismillah, diamo straight. Memo kan clearly.
Okay, all right. Let me tell you one thing. Banco Africa, Niajibe Africa, for example, Gambia, particularly Gambia, we are not serious. We are not serious for Banco develop. We are Banco Buga develop no Kabo more sorong, Banco Buga develop no Okoma. But Gambia Jibe mo Nkajulu Wakendo the Abarmo Buga mo sorong, Buga mo procedure. Kabri Adam Barrosi, Nana Moy model more procedure corruption all about. For
Never.
You know. Okay. So Gambia Africa develop any UDP government ni nada mulbe on the mind that Gambian be killing
never
wo funny alde wonde toñade de mo ka ko Gambian be killing I wonde toñade wo funny alde ya understand kasol lela ye kasol prisoner prepare mo morni ye mo corruption wala ye be sorong ya understand because having a constitution could only kabri bade ande kabri ngoko ke jangolo fo ko albe special provision on la constitution ko kaita ni ko corruption nepotism and tribalism is a crime against humanity.
Thank you.
But no for ko ha wonyanda tala criminal criminal court le ko no nali okay na banko develop na la tanga develop albe do la constitution ko na ningal mo do ni constitution ko ntel na tita nyaro because mo katrim bale agal because mo ba gamel ni di am rafle di barade be de lale but ni mo corruption okay mo mene algo corruption yede ye la korla sis ye futida ko had ngo Europe jang ani ye mo for example na musa wa fay jang hadnata ibe ila business kendele be for example Lebanese wol me ye hasiso motebulu ilo motol kono ye hasiso motebulu ko keno motela container kono ni Europe janne ma ibe la business o sis la yela modol sis yela everything basis yela account basis ya understand ye be pare yida kasola bo bank ko ka develop pro wala because hadabadu multi ya understand it da fono la hadabadu mo de barkaso
yalon Gambia they give them kickback. They can make kickback. So what I not it is business sorona. It is sorona because mnekara wole ke balundi, wole ka kodol dealer. Ani malum wole ka kodol mel dealer. Ika banku dongul la kodol dealer. Because ya banko nakari. Ina ka banko na mojo, ina ka banko lua kodojo, ike banko lua kodojo. So this is the point.
So before be criminal mo la banko kay mo fi jumala bokala sulale yenyum consignment si va mo debuleta scot free like that.
Yeah, that's the point.
Ndol kamera ndol fo men yalla ko yi danka wala na gambe ni ika gambe du wala so gambe du wala banko du wala so bar gambe no dingul mon droit soto gambe dingul mon baraka ni la fekk baraka be ko do tela ni me mo muda corruption yi muda ye soro ye la fekk be sis la ko dal sis.
No problem. Thank you very much.
The UDP government participate back at political because now at the end of the day, the UDP at this seat, more than a year on the mind.
No, but let's my brother. We are only into politics. It's just because left like a bankole regle. If UDP government nata, I am telling you, my brother. I mean, come on. Ning NPP menke UDP fana yoga. The same team bole kala. We have to fight against them. Look, we cannot look ajebang banko ni ko develop from bega kilomut na ko we fight against corruption, we fight against nepotism. So without that one we cannot go nowhere else, please. Hello? Islam? Beja? Ha, me call, me program, let them be come on. Yes, so guys, I know we come to wrap up because Salvador Sita, I have to go and pray. This guy is calling me, Wally. Wally's been calling. Let me try and see whether I'm able to get him. Wally Guineo. Yes, Wally. You want to you want to continue, right? Imbelevely, yeah. So, Bismillah. Sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, Wally. Yes, Wally. Bismillah.
Yeah. Okay. So for lafta ndena quick question sabala soro fofula lafta ka wala race maybe multi na kilo sea. Bekela follow. Akorosi Sambuja Njai of APR of IEC afindita la allegation maji political yamala because am ke mo kenson mo me alonko la tele la poti findita allegation on na de ko dai tempa e fenne bi me alonko election bill ya tempale what muna tempata muna tempa ndol be man taro ko election ni ga kambe sire deri mo findita IEC ko take kana ka foko onya de barsay ne mo place auto be alon que la place de minyan de transparency anata findita ko there is something me alon ka tempata sa intelligence be ask maybe te alon nte malon do malon mo tempata me malon ye mun yi mata mun la mun na problème so ko malon so nte ga be nyanda clair bale mo yalon sa mu janja nyanda kala feneti me alon ko ngam ko because I fenne for me alon ko strict fenne alon ko is critical alon we don't know tempa nite alon da kenun alon na second point be kala mundi wolum ko ni ari memba jang nga fola adum ba fola every time wolum ko narcotic boss findeta la jang ka claim ko manka mankunda ku mankije but the question I want to raise here is aska ye yakum majayte tata case la court men right now kono right pamanke di same case la deba muneke da man findika diamu yakum majayte la case la anin drop membe mutaring aman diamu wala barata ta diamu manka mankundala il faut makle na faja UDP la nyaton ti ali al hakilo tu nyimo ko me samni UDP man sakunda nata albe mol tala ali ala to adum gambia ngamen ko rosije mbadi Allah badi ngol be kujo ke kambi albe deri albe fasaka sama UDP tal pallo bi wol koma pour kolta abe chaos la natila so mo be si hakilo toro ibadi ngobe kuke kambi ning afo ali nge mo jawoti ali en kuntu ali alla commentol kuntu mol bela ali alla badi ya kuntu na because ali en mo ne reality ando alla badi ngol be kuke kambi sama ni UDP man sakunda nata al tata le lobi wol badi ngol koma pour place ol nyini o be problème ol natla pati ko anu ni de la nyanda da pati pour ay senior mo nori ngol ma nyam dunna je ngala tentu before election na mo melje bebe drop kan abe mo molati mel yalo koy tale dilo to ko to ngala fi jela so to nyam kilinati to nya fay teria o badi ngoy abe ate badi yati nyala te teria yati nyala dembe keri mbula fola wala ko ibadi ngo naye place o ngara abe ko jawol ke kam mol la mel yalo ko fal mo UDP kollati abe mol jihadi kan sama UDP mo ko ni misfino nata tra UDP nata ite badi ngo lobi taw ko ma ko fasa o be kole alal de pour pati eta nyaato so lafta wala si ala nim badi ngol ya mo mo nakola ta naye mem madro si yam pambul bar fo nga to nyala fa baraka baake
thank you very much Wale Junior ebe men fokan is quite true banko de do kunola o jiga sifa kono fombe song tonyala sabati banko do ku non te kai we will not go anywhere else ndizano dilato Mbadimulu, I think I'm going to stop the program here because Salvatore Sita nyende dara salola membe yodrong comme kan fale nyamen drong tollem bak lem fakilunti bar comme commandre do ni aya fu nyamen molem nyindi ko badim kolu ni ko bo sambala masakunda ko drong masakunda tijala no pesambaro nyaaja mambango sambano because mafia le miniala nyaaja mambango sambano because mol mele yalonko ila hamu be mu menti wala nyindi ko ila kunna kile nafa ilhamu bi mo da malti wala mo de malak wala miniola parce que baro kada mo de mealon imam amalla fa silo sabatini amalla fa kijo te gammen ko tema amalla fa tilen gammen ko tema wala tin to yaman sabat latina mba flale ko wala tan mbafla le ko be ñoo moy la le inshallah as soon as possible be ñoo moy la le as soon as possible and sorry guys, sorry, I'm back commando. Anyway, let me stop the program here. Ala baraka atul miliyalan ko albe commando ke kan almat lo kairo siala. I understand there is going to be an interview tonight. Interview miliyalan ko albe kala bi ni ala kim I think Mr. Dabo and Sana whoever. Wala nyanda ka interview ka bi. So if wala nyanda ka interview soro bi sananing sedi and others moment ya longo you have time, please try and follow it. I think it's 5 p.m. Gambian time or 4 p.m. Gambian time. Sorry, I forgot the time. Bafla ko ala baraka banku do kolem anu ne atra fana bulera momo kasida ishalon ko that's never our intention na hamo be movement wala nyindi ko Gambian ko kunindi na hamo be movement wala nyindi ko katonya sata Gambian ko le wala mun na hamo beti molmel yalon ko malaf katonya moy ta moy la fereng anu na ta moy la ina kunna to na fala ati ta moy la so for that being the case bafla ko ala baraka. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. Thanks for sharing. I am so happy. I am pleased. Contenta bake al programu inisia. Nyata ya programu inisia. Please share the show. Ibaya ko the information no nyang asitano mulkang mulmilalong ko alamang walama be kalamo ko sang bayaring Gambia ko lemu nindin tatrong bedo ko nyin kala no nyamal. But kuma laba umento dong janding kata my people, I will always keep repeating this, my people. Nyajembe fulani repeat la because nyunkuonying I know kuya bakel. Walatina I will always keep repeating this thing. Walam nyuntuko. Nakuma labang terong badung janem bita walam nyuntuko tribalism walam sifatam fanso. Mul milialong ko wala lafta ka politiko kanin sifatam fanso sa to kono jang ala ko dila. Anu wallahi kamen fale walam nyuntuko namen sute. NPP ko be menke kama NPP wala president barola patrioti e be ila fero mum mendi wala nyindi ko akoyte malako gammen ko le botole akoyte mako gammen ko ya londo e mantra do ku kekan akoyte malako gammen ko lu mallafi ila mansaya nyim pro ay tenteng say be fero men kala don wala nyindi ko gammen ko ibal jenjal na nyamen gammen ko e bal kala nyo jawoti nyamen pu to len nafa kama albeya kalam de la ko 2016 Gambian ko kafta nyomale ye keloke ya jembe bondi jang may ya jembe ma bondi jang kafu ko ya jembe mu jolati ma ya jembe bondi jang kafu ko ya jembe mu sirwalti ma ya jembe bondi jang kafu ya jembe mu mandin kolti banda ya jembe kala men kam wala nyinto ko ya jembe mu molti me ya lonko abe ba Gambien ko la ko le tinyakan ya jembe mu molti mo me ya lonko abe Gambien ko la dundi ka nyola ya jembe mu molti me ya lonko abe Gambe siol la dundi ka nyola andum Gambia na mello wala nyindi ko baklim fakil nya nololong anu Gambia na mello wala nyindi ko dolla ka fudu nyoy wala ya tinna mbeke da kilumuti mbeke da baklim fakil muti na ya jembe muto na kila na bundi jang odo say pesam baro na la mulu nyina mula hamoti nyina mula feroti be Gambien ko fil la nyamen be siol dum la nyo nyamen be siol dum la nyo la nyamen nyina mula hamoti bara albiya kalam do ko na fala nyamen pesam baro jolal invite janne ay karonun ko invite ay sarakulol invite ay manjakol invite ay siol bel invite bal muntuma lang aliya moy janko pesa mbaro manin kol invite ala fani muntuma aliya moy jang let's call a spade bal muntuma lang aliya moy janko pesa mbaro surwal invite no bal mina kata pesa mbaro ka jumal la invite aka jumal la invite ay fulo la invite jang anu nañu fa jang very soon albaja ko nga abi surwal invite la very soon albaja ko tanke aman siol melan ko ame invite la anna ke invite me na wala nyindi ko ninti am da dorong aka moyle so pesambaro kana siol dam malta ke dundu nyola kana siol dam malta ke dundu nyola ay flol invite janne Ahmed Badi am taje Ahmed Baye même fo be ya moyle ako flolu mol ka wol doya janne ako flolu mol ka wol imagine janne Banko Gamben ko juma bita jene bisaw ya fuko be jene bisaw ko la karra jene bisaw ko la banko kay do surla e mantarin silola bar Gamben ko juma bita jene bisaw ya fa be jene bisaw jene Conakry ya fa be Conakry la kay do surla e mantarin silola bar Gamben ko juma bita Senegal ya fa be Senegal la kay do surla e mantarin silola momam mo bali pour Gambia la kay do soto bar Gambia la kay do ni la vitala e silola normala banko e loi e silo la landi loi e sarto la landi wa sarto yulu ne ye loi e wol landi pour que banko dewul sementu yalam ko sa ni atala momo yalon ko banko dewul lo sembo ato kala fenti ato banko dewul lo sembo buñala banko dewul lo kawato buñala ako because meneka ada kum kilon nafa abe siol dundu ka nyola abe siol susu ka nyokan gamien ko ni mu kuwer me alon ay miro sile parce que mbaro narol invite ay balantol invite ay karonungol invite ay manjakol invite ay jolal invite ay fulol invite ay saraklol invite ake invite mina ka même fo wala ñundu ko ya doyale anu jang bele kayanda ñim bankola dumale ye doya dumal ni ko ya doyale dumale doya man ka kaw ala moy ya doyale anu sonna moy mo doya ñim banko kan dumale doya dumale manjakol doya jang dumale jolal doya jang dumale fulol doya jang dumale man nin kol doya jang si dumale doya jang si aussi be banko kanne ibe siren kayro kono ibe la bali yal kika nyokan bari kana chong ka foko ibe si yola dun la nyola si kelo dunya kono mbe aja kada nyame bari gambe dul mbo jala tollella wallahi sadala karaba jalo jamano sadala la kabino do kono fulol be jele sadala karaba jalo jamano sa dawla kabino do kono man jagol be jele sadala karaba jalo jamano sadala la kabino do kono karonin kol be jele sadala karaba jalo jamano sadala la kabino do kono si o sifa be le be jimbaade wol si o sifa be le be je so wala ko men bo nyama sain alna ñomuta bakilin fakilenti alin kana song mo me ya lonko abe siole yuska pour kan tala kala kan dunni ñola alin kana song o mari a sawelo banko dinglo ma parce que mbaro man tala ka gamien kol jo fenna fo ka be gamien kol jo la mene wala si fadam fan soto Allahu akbar bal mediamula na mol kun nan kolye mediamula na almamolye almamol mel ya lonko wala kata e ko ka fa ko parce que mbaro is mu man salti mais dem la almamole fa sifa dam faso dino sonda sifa dam faso la fa dino man son wala dino e siol buña yande e siata noti ñamen dino e siol be la buña yande oto saying atol almamolu atol skola sol atol mel ya long alkafa ko ha alna bla man sanoma nañu fo janna an mbamur la kan ko tanke ita almamo me yalon ko bi ita la ka doku president bala ita almamo lafte même famo la ñundu ko kunum president dole be je ita ko mul kana o kele ita ko prigo o kele o kafir yalati ndol yewole kele kafir ya kono ko mete afo ñamen ndol yewole kele kafir ya kono na la man sayati nya according to ita la revelation according to ita la kumo man sama ya lon ko ita lota jang gamien ko kono jang e ko mo mo ron ya lon ko fintita man sakam kafir ya la wodi ita lef bal say ndon nim men kafutam fintita o man sakama na o man sabondi na o mari sindi bibe doko ka o mari le koto o silom fo me ya lon ko asara den kafir ya kono mamira ita nyanda ka balu fe wala mamira ita nyanda ko ko woni wosip age so alin kana ñoo filindi be to ñala folo ñoy nana dino ta na do kundi ko nyanda kana dino do kundu ñamen nana ado ta nana ado balundi ko nyanda kana ado lo balundi ñamen na ñomuta ko bakli fakili nana ko dal ko bamandi nan signol buña sun garo fala kana si ni mo moy fenseto yenda ka di signol ya di signola kane signol jibe ko signol mu ñing si carnet di signol mu mandin ko di signol mu fulole di signol mu dolane di kana o jibe signolem ala yetani wala sindi ala yetani wala sindi bala say be nyaay menje wala be kedin ka wala faale ko wato minala kal inform ka faale e minala kay be na flo dilala pour kal damal siol kwend ñoy Allahu akbar so badul be denna le jam fo wato ko inshallah almat lo kayro diala almato nya sabatila السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وتعالى وبركاته. أنا الباري مالم سيلفو سونكو. أكيد بايو سونكو.